Transform your kitchen into a vibrant, nostalgic space with retro elements from the 1950s and 60s. Let's explore how to revive your kitchen on a budget. Retro kitchens are defined by bright colors, geometric patterns, and innovative materials like chrome and Formica, offering a timeless yet functional appeal. Start by planning your space and choosing a bold color scheme. Focus on key elements like countertops and dining sets to create a retro look without a full remodel. Look for vintage or reproduction chrome and Formica pieces at flea markets, vintage stores, or online. DIY upgrades like relaminating countertops or repainting furniture can save money. Install Formica countertops in vintage patterns and add a classic diner-style table with chrome legs to capture the retro essence. Repaint cabinets in retro shades and update hardware with chrome knobs and pulls for an instant mid-century feel. Enhance your kitchen with authentic retro accessories like vintage canisters and period wall art. Consider a checkerboard floor for a classic touch. Choose pendant lights with chrome finishes and retro-designed appliances for a cohesive look that blends style with modern functionality. Create a nostalgic yet functional kitchen by blending retro charm with modern convenience. Enjoy a beautiful space that reflects the vibrant spirit of the past.